Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today I'm about to showcase to you guys my brand new watch that I just got, and that is the Police X Batman limited edition watch. Okay, so basically if you guys don't know yet, company Police ni, they actually released 4 different designs of watches in conjunction with the new Batman film that's coming out next month. Okay, so basically movie ni memang is making headlines all around the globe lah. So kalau korang tengok dia punya advertisements, you guys can see that they released 4 different designs of watches, 3 for men and 1 for women. And the 3 for men tu nama dia adalah Gotham City Edition, Vengeance Edition, and also the Batman punya edition. And the one that I got is the Batman punya edition. I think this is the best looking one out of all the other designs. I think you guys might just like it as well. Let's check it out. Okay guys, but before that I want to showcase to you guys what are the things that you guys would get andai kata you guys purchase this watch lah. So you guys will also get this tote bag dengan tulisan The Batman and also Ex-Police kat sini, and also this orang kata keychain lah. Alright, so jom kita buka benda ni dulu. Haha guys, tengok tu inilah rupa keychain dia. Dia topeng Batman lah sebenarnya, and also ada tulisan The Batman juga kat sini. Okay, so sekarang kita buka dia punya tote bag pula. Alright, look at that. The Batman only in cinemas Ex-Police. Boleh nampak tu? Okay, so bahagian belakang dia pula ada it's pretty much the same thing lah. Okay guys, so inilah dia rupa kotak dia. So ada warna merah atas ni, and semua ni warna hitam lah. Okay, so lepas you guys slide dia, you guys akan nampak tulisan Police X The Batman kat situ. Okay, so nak buka ni, you guys kena tarik macam ni, and nampak tak guys? So inilah dia benda-benda yang you guys akan dapat upon opening up the box. So we have this Batman logo, and ada letter from the Riddler kat situ, and also ada this metal plate lah. So this is the first thing that I want to show you guys. So we have this metal plate Police X The Batman juga. So kita buka dia. Guys, look at that. Memang lawa benda ni. So it's metal, I believe. And kat belakang dia ada pula this unique card certifies that your the Batman watch is numbered 0346 out of 2000 worldwide. Okay, so memang limited edition lah macam aku cakap tadi. So this is a nice touch lah, memang nampak rasa special lah benda ni. And then kita also akan dapat this envelope from the Riddler, tulisan to the Batman just like in the movie posters. Okay, kat dalam ni pula kita ada dapat this the Batman punya, I believe this is the instructions for you guys to macam mana nak set lah dia punya setting for the watch. Betul lah, user manual. Alright, so ada Catwoman kat belakang tu. And then we will also get aku rasa ni warranty booklet dia. Okay guys, so this is how the watch holder looks like. Okay, so kita boleh buka dia. Alright, so revealing the watch inside. So as you guys can see, aku masih lagi belum buka bahan plastik. So we'll take a closer look at the watch after this, but before that, let's take a closer look at the watch holder first. Now this here is the punya watch holder dia that they orang design for us to keep our watches lah. Okay, so we have this sort of like a Batman punya logo, and we have this button over here for us to click on untuk kita buka dia punya logo ni. So kat sini lah rupa dalam dia. So we have this red cushion, and this is the place for you guys to store your watches lah. So inilah, ini rupa luaran dia. Ada tulisan Police X The Batman kat sini, and we have all this sort of like carbon finish kat situ. Okay, nanti aku akan zoom in sikit lah. Alright, so inilah dia rupa dia. It's quite huge tapi it is actually made out of plastic. Okay, so you guys don't expect too much lah kalau dapat ni. Alright. Guys, tengok tu, inilah dia rupa dia punya watch tu, the Batman punya watch. We have this the Batman punya logo is quite huge, logo ni I think this is the biggest logo of Batman yang you guys akan dapat out of all the other 3 watches. Okay, so ada logo tulisan Police kat tengah-tengah tu, and dia macam boleh bergerak dia macam ada screw kat tengah tu. So these 2 parts are quite movable, but tak boleh nak lipat all the way lah. Okay, so sampai sini je dia punya range of movement dia. Tu atas dia ada dual time zone. So this one you guys can set it to whatever time zone that you guys want, Malaysia ke, UK ke, and bawah ni pula another time zone lah. So the punya straps dia is made out of leather. Look at that. Okay, so memang lawa benda ni. Alright. Okay guys, so this is how the watch looks like on my wrist after dah pakai, and I'm loving this design guys. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that I got this over the other two designs. Now I want to talk to you guys about the other two designs available for men. Now the first design number dia is Gotham City Edition, and based on the advertisements kita boleh nampak yang it has this really cool bright green light tau. Tapi bila aku cuba test pakai jam tu bila dekat kedai the other day, I can see that lampu dia sebenarnya taklah terang sangat tau, tapi dalam advertisement dia buat kasi nampak macam terang betul. Tapi sebenarnya in real life it is actually quite malap. So bagi aku macam agak sayang lah. I don't know why they didn't want to make it look extra bright. It would have been really nice lah, sebab design tu memang dah bagi aku lawa dah tau. And the other design that is available is Vengeance punya edition. Bagi aku Vengeance punya style tu, it is a perfect mixture between Batman punya theme and also a normal watch. And kalau korang are looking to get a watch untuk pakai tahan lama kan, Vengeance is the one for you guys lah, sebab tali dia tu besi, so dia boleh tahan lama sikit lah, dia boleh tahan lasak. But in my personal opinion, if you guys are looking to get this watch for your personal collection, then the Batman punya edition ni is the one that you guys should get lah. Sebab bagi aku dia punya tema Batman tu yang paling nampak sekali, paling garang, and dia punya logo tu paling besar. Okay, and dia punya size pun paling besar. It is 50mm in diameter. However, I do want to point out that untuk yang the Batman punya edition ni, kalau korang nampak dia punya screw kat tengah ni kan, pekedai tu kata that over time screw ni akan berkarat tau. So dia akan nampak tak lawa dah lah. So in order for you guys to take good care of it, you guys kena sentiasa cuci dengan air tawar, sebab tangan kita ni lepas kita dah pakai akan cepat peluh kan. So kita kena cuci cepat-cepat and then lap kasih kering, so that akan elak daripada kena berkarat lah. Kalau tak dia akan nampak tak lawa lah over time. Okay, so hati-hati kat situ lah. Okay guys, so that's all I can share with you guys for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi next video pula. Bye.